Hey, Greenie! Did you know you can use times tables to make division super easy?
Really? I don't know. Division's kinda hard.
Don't worry, it's actually really simple. Let's start with something easy. How about 8 divided by 2?
Okay. So 8 divided by 2. What do I do first?
First, we look at the second number, which is 2. That means we'll use the 2 times table.
Oh, so the second number tells us which times table to use. Cool. What do we do next?
Yep. Now, look at the first number, which is 8. We just think. 2 times what equals 8?
Oh, I know this. 2 times 4 is 8.
Exactly. So, 8 divided by 2 is 4. Not so hard, right?
Whoa, that wasn't so bad. Can I try another?
Of course. Let's do 12 divided by 2. You try it, and I'm here if you get stuck.
Okay. Second number is 2, so we're in the 2 times table again. Now I think. 2 times what equals 12?
Great thinking. So, what's the answer?
2 times 6. So 12 divided by 2 is 6.
You got it, Greenie. Ready to try a new times table?
Yeah, let's go for it.
All right, let's try 15 divided by 5. Which times table are we in now?
The 5 times table, since the second number is 5.
Good. Now, what do we do next?
We think. 5 times what equals 15? Oh, 5 times 3 is 15. So, 15 divided by 5 is 3.
Yes, that's it. Great job. Now it's time to try some on your own. Questions will pop up, and you can take your time to work them out. Just say your answer when you find it.
Got it.
10 divided by 2.
Five.
20 divided by 2.
Ten.
9 divided by 3.
Three.
20 divided by 5.
Four.
6 divided by 6.
One.
14 divided by 2.
Seven.
45 divided by 5.
Nine.
Well, Greenie, you got every question right. Now it's time for a new game. This time, I'm giving you a division problem with an answer, and you get to say if it's right or wrong. Ready?
Ready. Let's go.
Okay, first one. 16 divided by 2 is 6.
Wrong. It's 8, 'cause 2 times 8 is 16.
Ding ding. Next. 9 divided by 3 is 3.
Right. 'Cause 3 times 3 is 9.
Nice. How about 15 divided by 5 is 2?
Wrong. It's 3. 'Cause 5 times 3 is 15.
That's right. Last one. 14 divided by 2 is 7.
Right. 2 times 7 is 14.
You did it! Next time, you'll meet the remainder in division.
Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon!